Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, when I see the chart of gold, okay, one song comes to my mind. Kya se kya ho gaya? Means what happened? Everything is over. We got a sell-off on gold. We got a 1,000 pips drop on gold within just few hours. Yesterday we had NFP, but the sell-off started before NFP and it continued. Gold made a low of 228685 and ultimately closed at 2294. Just look at the sell. If you are a lover of gold, then you must be knowing that okay, market was bullish, but things have changed drastically. And as we all know, gold is crazy, and crazy is the new normal for gold. But before I proceed with the chart of gold, okay, I have two announcements. First announcement is that today we have a live Instagram session regarding forex broker for Indian residents. As we all know that okay, things are not very good or cool with Indians, okay, because we have a problem with the forex broker, okay, big problem going on. So regarding that, okay, we have a live session on Instagram, okay, feel free to connect. Okay, this is my Instagram profile. You will see a blue tick. Okay, um, don't think that, Avilash, how can you get a blue tick with so low number of followers? I pay money to Instagram, so I have the blue tick because see, I had to get the blue tick because there are lots of scams going on in my name. So only follow the profile with the blue tick. Okay, and then yes, regarding the workshop, okay, regarding the workshop, so it will come in the middle of the video. Okay, now let's look at the market sentiment. Dollar rallies and gold sink as Fed rate cut hopes recede. US dollar bounces as strong jobs report likely delays Fed easing this year. Non-farm payrolls come in as hot as 272,000 in May, way above consensus views. The expected number was around 185,000, but it came around 272. Huge difference. And obviously, the market responded. And this is the chart of gold in front of us. So, from these articles, okay, one thing we have understood is that market is bullish. If you want to go through these articles, I'll put the link in the description. You can read. Okay, so market is dollar is bullish right now, and obviously we can see there's huge selling pressure on gold. So yes, the things are not very positive, so we need to respect the trend of the market and we need to plan our trades accordingly. And as we all know that after NFP, obviously there was pressure on gold started falling, but before NFP also gold was falling, and this was the reason that I uploaded. You can see at 4:33 p.m. Okay, news came at 6 p.m. in Indian time. Okay, at 4:33 p.m. I updated on the group. Gold prices dip as China halts gold buying after 18 months. This was another reason why gold was falling before the NFP. So fundamentally, gold is not positive right now, and we may see further sell-off on gold. So technically, okay, if we look at a weekly chart of gold, okay, we can clearly see that gold is standing at the top right now. And as we all know, no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern because of supply and demand. And we have been discussing that, okay, there is a big correction due, and maybe this is just the beginning and market may show further correction, because technically if we look at the market, then the right position seems to be around 2100 or 22200 at least, because if market moves like this, then obviously it should come to this level here. So it will be around 2100 or 2200. It may take couple of weeks, couple of months, I don't know, but yes, technically if you look at the chart, then it should come to this level. Okay, but obviously predicting the market is not possible, but it seems that way, because if you look at a daily chart of gold also, we can still see the market is at the top, and obviously market needs to come down at least to 2100 and on the daily chart we can see that one big candle has engulfed all the previous 8 to 9 candles. So obviously we can clearly understand the market sentiment from here that market is bearish. So technically and fundamentally, gold is not positive right now. So if you have any buying position on gold, you need to exit immediately. And my dear friends, finally, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again after 3 months, I guess. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. My dear friends, I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You'll find all the details on the website. My dear friends, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. And if you are really depressed right now, you just go to the About Me section. You will find my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Please go to the story and you will understand that everything is possible. And these are the topics that we will be discussing in 3 days. As I said, 3 days workshop plus 1 month support, because it is not possible to cover everything in 3 days. And as I always believe that it's a step-by-step process. So after 3 days learning, okay, we will be having 4 weekly classes. These are the topics of the weekly classes. Along with that, you will be receiving regular market updates analysis. This is our WhatsApp group. You can see that I post here regularly. You will find regular market updates, analysis, and during important events like CPI, NFP, we also have live session. So this is how it looks like. You can see that I post here regularly so that you can understand that in which direction you need to proceed for the day. Along with that, we also have a lively Telegram community because trading is a lonely journey. So we have traders from all around the world where you can share ideas, ask questions. It's a colorful community where you can learn a lot of things here. And these are the dates. You can see English classes 28, 29, 30th of June, and Hindi classes will start from 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June. These are the timings. You can join now also. You don't need to worry. Okay, till the workshop, you'll be getting free market analysis updates. And obviously, after the workshop, you will be getting the 1 month support. Okay, as I promised. Okay, so you can join now also. There is no issues. And yes, limited seats available. You must be knowing that I conduct the session, okay, only 3 to 4 times a year only. Okay, I'm not a course seller. Okay, and if you just participate on the workshop, it's only $15, rupees 1,000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. For everything, only 1,000 or $15. And if you really like my work, if you want to stay connected with me, you can also go for semi-annual for $65, rupees 4,000 for Indians. And here, along with the updates, analysis, and support, you'll also be getting 2 personal sessions with me. And if you love me, then if you want to stay connected with me for lifetime, it's only $125 or rupees 8,000. And in lifetime support, you'll also receive 6 personal sessions with me. So if you're struggling with the market, if you believe that I need to talk to you, I need to learn from you, then yes, you can sign up for the lifetime workshop, lifetime support actually, not workshop, okay, where you'll be getting 6 personal sessions, one-on-one sessions with me so that we can clear doubts, we can work on the problems. Hope you guys will love it. Okay, आप लोग को अच्छा लगा होगा. Okay, and these are the payment options here. Okay, so almost all the popular payment options are available here. I used to teach for free, but I learned a lesson that okay, you should never teach for free. Okay, it was a bad experience. And I also taught for $1. Okay, that was also a bad decision. But okay, but my dear friends, okay, these are the payment options available. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here. Okay, I'll be adding you to the group. Okay, so once you're done, do not forget to share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email. Okay, if you email, then please do share your WhatsApp number. And let me answer already that if you are unable to attend and if you are feeling very bad, that Avilash, fine, we'll be conducting the next workshop, as I said, and you must be knowing also that I do not conduct workshops regularly because trading is my bread and butter, okay, and these workshops, dealing with people takes a lot of time. So the next workshop will be in October, I guess. Okay, that will be last workshop. So my dear friends, if you're interested, okay, if you want to learn from me, then you are most welcome. After all, it's the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, but the best workshop. Thank you so much. Market opening is going to be very, very important for us. So if you see the market is trying to recover, okay, market is trying to recover after the market opening, okay, and you're holding a buy position, well and good. When you'll see the market is going or reversing again, exit immediately. If you have a buy position stuck, exit immediately when market will reverse again, because if you do not exit at the right moment, there's a high chance that you will be trapped in a buy position. As we all know, gold buyers always make money. But if market shows a deeper retracement, deeper correction, and if you do not have the holding capacity, then you may blow your account. Suppose you have, let's say you have $1,000 capital in your account and you have a buy position at 2350 and gold goes to 2100. Will you be able to hold your account? Obviously, no. And if you have a holding capacity, that's well and good. Then you can be with a buy position. No need to worry because gold buys always make money. Fundamentally, gold is always bullish. At this moment, gold may show correction, but as we all know, because of supply and demand, gold is always bullish. Thus, the supply of yellow metal on this planet Earth, okay, is limited. Okay, anyways, this is the chart of gold. So if you are holding a buy, okay, if you're holding a buy, try to exit at recovery, and market opening is going to be important. And if you're planning or if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I think it's this is not the right time for 40 pips. If the selling pressure on this market continues, now listen to me carefully, okay, because if the selling pressure on this market continues, then it's better to sit on a sell position for next 1 or 2 days, not for eternity. Okay, you can sit on a sell position for 1 or 2 days because the market is like this and we need to be flexible. See, when market gives you opportunity, you need to grab it. When we have a sideways market, choppy market, you need to be happy with 30-40 pips. But when you can see that okay, there is an opportunity to make 400 pips, then you should grab it because this is how you can survive in the market. So right now it seems that selling pressure will continue. If that continues, try to sit on a sell position. This may not be a 40 pips market anymore. If you exit at 40 pips, this may be a foolish decision. As I said, the market opening is going to be important. So right after the market opening, if market goes up, okay, the first selling opportunity may come around 2311, where we have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. And also, this is the level from where markets start falling. Okay, and the second selling opportunity may come around 2325, where we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and also the previous support will also be acting as resistance. And in this market condition, okay, these two levels will be acting as resistance. If you see a weak recovery, then 2311 will work as resistance. Once you'll see the market is showing price rejection from below, hit the sell button. But if you see the market is showing good recovery, market is standing at 2311 with a big green candle, use your common sense. Okay, wait for 2325. Okay, the 2325, and then we also have 2340. 2340 is far away, okay, but 2325. Once you will see the market is struggling, market is reversing from 2325 area, we can go for a sell. As I said, do not try to book 40 pips. Okay, this is a market where we have potential to score higher pips, 100, 150, 200, 250. Okay, if market reverses. So if market reverses, we can look for a sell. And as sellers are dominating this in this market right now, sell at resistance or retracement seems to be the safe and best trading strategy right now. And if market doesn't go for recovery, if market doesn't go up, then obviously we cannot help it. In that case, we can look for a buy at breakdown. Where we can look for buy at breakdown means we can look for a sell below 2287, low made by the market. Already you can see the market is oversold, so selling at breakdown is little bit riskier. Follow strict risk management. But if market doesn't go for retracement, we cannot help it, isn't it? It is not in our hand. So obviously we can look for a sell at breakdown. But as I said, okay, and I'll always say sell at retracement or resistance is the best trading strategy in this type of market condition where sellers have the upper hand. The market opening is going to be important, so let's wait and watch. I'm extremely sorry the video became very long. Okay, and thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.